Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you two ways how to uninstall instabridge app from your phone. So if you use a instabridge as your a Wi-Fi map, a application, or you can a launcher like this app keep asking instabridge home app become your default system launcher. So it's keep annoying. So if you want to uninstall this app, because I think or we assume this app like a hack your semi hacks your systems. So there is a way to uninstall this app. There's three ways. The first way is directly uninstall from the Play Store. As you can see, keep asking instabridge as your system launcher here. So you can directly uninstall this app by hold this icon and tap this uninstall, or you can tap settings button and uninstall from the app management, like tap the search the app management here and try to search in the app list this one instabridge, or you can try to uninstall from the Play Store. Go to the Play Store and then uninstall from the app management. Try to search the instabridge here. Try sort by name and try to search the instabridge, this one. You can tap uninstall here. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.